model, 2003 Mercedes Sprinter 208 Cdi rare short wheelbase camper day fishing van, loads of MOT ready to go, Starstruck. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 192,608. MOT, the 27th of July 2024. Engine, 2151 CCM 2697. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: starts perfect, runs perfect, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. It will need front discs replacing, as when you brake there is a vibration on the steering wheel. Nice, simple, cheap repair, still starts and drives fine. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: part service history, 2 keys, electric window.